Hey everyone, let's talk about intramuscular injections. Even experienced nurses can sometimes slip up. So let us review a few common mistakes to ensure we always providing the best and safest care. First up, landmarking. It's so easy to eyeball it, especially when you're busy, but taking that extra moment to properly put and identify the correct site, whether it's the deltoid, ventrogluteal, or vastus lateralis, is crucial to avoid hitting nerves or bone. Another common slip-up is needle size, using a needle that's too short for the patient body. Mass might mean the medication ends up in the subcutaneous tissue instead of the muscle. And finally, aspiration. While guidelines have changed, it's vital to know your facility's policy and the specific medication recommendations. Getting these details right makes all the difference for our patients. Stay sharp, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more nursing tips.